Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Let It Die. To begin, focus on understanding the game's main goal, ascending the Tower of Barbs. You'll need to manage your inventory carefully, picking up useful items and equipment. Master the basic combat moves like dodging and attacking. Remember to return to your waiting room often for essential upgrades and to store your valuable loot safely. When exploring the Tower of Barbs, always prioritize dodging and blocking enemy attacks to minimize damage. Experiment with different weapons, from powerful melee options to effective ranged tools, to find what suits your playstyle. Scavenge every floor for valuable materials and blueprints, which are crucial for crafting better gear. Stay alert for environmental hazards and traps that can quickly end your run. To progress effectively, you must consistently upgrade your fighter. Head to the waiting room to level up your character's stats, making them stronger and more resilient. Visit the R&D lab to research and develop new, powerful equipment. Collect kill coins from defeated enemies and death medals for special purchases. Don't forget to send out expeditions. They passively gather valuable resources while you're away. Survival in Let It Die hinges on smart planning. Always carry a good supply of healing items and at least one reliable emergency weapon. Take time to learn enemy attack patterns. This makes combat much easier and safer. If a situation feels too dangerous, don't hesitate to retreat to your waiting room. And remember, Uncle Death offers revival services if you fall, for a price.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.